You've presumably heard tales about ordinary individuals winning cash on YouTube and thought, hello, I can do this as well. While acquiring a large number of dollars most likely isn't reasonable, you can begin gaining cash rapidly, particularly in the event that you have a solid supporter base. Follow this manual for get your recordings adapted and begin gaining income off those YouTube advertisements. 1. Step. Set up and fabricate your YouTube channel. Your channel is your own essence on YouTube. Each YouTube account has one channel appended to it. A YouTube account is equivalent to a Google account, and making a YouTube record will give you access to other Google items, for example, Gmail and Drive. Make your record or utilize your current one. Add catchphrases to assist individuals with finding your channel. You can add catchphrases by exploring to the advanced area of your channel settings. Ensure that your watchwords are pertinent to your substance. Your client name can likewise work possibly in support of you. On the off chance that it's short, simple to recall, and unique, individuals will be more adept to recollect you. In any case, in the event that you are utilizing a current record, you can generally change your username by altering it on your Google+ account. Remember, you can just change your client name multiple times at most extreme before you need to hold up 90 days to transform it once more. 2. Step. Add content. Attempt to transfer content that is high caliber, and isn't very long. This choice can fluctuate contingent upon what sort of substance you choose to transfer. Also attempt to transfer routinely and remain steady with your transfers. Regardless of whether your substance isn't incredible from the outset, keep at it. Careful discipline brings about promising results. Attempt to improve every video than the last. You will frequently learn as you go. Improve your substance by either utilizing a superior camera or attempting better altering programming or methods. Likewise, attempt to improve the state of affairs recorded. Utilize a tripod, have a companion help you or light your scenes better. Everything helps for a superior finished result, which thus encourages you show signs of improvement crowd. In the event that you would prefer not to purchase splendid white lights, you can sit close to a radiant window, or do it outside. By transferring normally you can help hold a group of people. Individuals are bound to buy in the event that you include content customary timetable, and keep up that plan however much as could reasonably be expected. Make a point to label your recordings with watchwords that depict the substance, just as an eye-getting portrayal. These will assist drive with peopling to your video from YouTube. Look. 3. Step. Gain a group of people. Building a group of people is critical to expanding your adaptation. You need individuals to watch your promotions so as to bring in any cash off of them. There is nobody mystery to getting more endorsers, simply cause the best substance that you can and they will come to you. Some of the time there will be haters, so you simply need to disregard them. On the off chance that you need to flourish, you must be certain. Continue transferring substance and attempt to get individuals snared. Send your video out on Twitter and Facebook. Offer it with individuals. Circulate it somewhere else on the web. Endorsers are basic to turning into an accomplice. Interface with your watchers by reacting to remarks and making intermittent recordings straightforwardly identified with watcher remarks and questions. Interfacing with your locale will bring more individuals into that network. One great approach to do that is truly basic, yell outs. 4. Step. Monetize your recordings. So as to begin acquiring cash on your recordings, you'll have to empower adaptation. This implies you are permitting YouTube to put promotions in your video. This likewise implies you recognize that there is no copyrighted material in your video. Go to www.youtube.com and click My Channel on the website page. Snap the connection called Video Manager on the top bar. Snap channel and enable on adaptation. 5. Step. Meet the prerequisites. You need at any rate 4,000 watch hours in the past a year and 1,000 supporters of begin procuring cash. You can adapt a video as it transfers by tapping the monetization tab and checking the Adapt with Ads box. To adapt a video after it has been transferred, open your video manager and snap the $sign close to the video that you need to adapt. Check the Adapt with Ads box. 6. Step. Set up Google AdSense. You can liberate up Google AdSense for at the AdSense site. Snap the Sign Up Now catch to start making your record. You should be 18 years or more seasoned to make your own record. On the off chance that you are more youthful than that, you will require a grown-up to support you. You need either PayPal or a financial balance and a legitimate street number, just as other data sa AdSense can confirm what your identity is and who to send the cash to. You just addition cash per advertisement click and a littler sum for each view, yet it includes after some time. This is the reason having a group of people is vital. 7. Step. Check your examination. When you have a few recordings on the web, adapted, and being seen, you can look at the examination on them to perceive how they are performing. Snap the Analytics alternative in your channel menu. Here you can see evaluated profit, advertisement execution, video perspectives, socioeconomics and then some. Utilize these apparatuses to perceive how your substance is reverberating with your crowd. You can change your substance or your promoting in case you're finding that you aren't drawing in the clients that you need to. 8. Step. Market your recordings somewhere else. Try not to put your recordings just on YouTube. Start a blog, make a site or post them on other video or internet-based life locales. The more perspectives it gets, the better. By sharing the connection or installing the video on the web, you are expanding its opportunity getting took note. 9. Step. Become a YouTube accomplice. YouTube partners are YouTube individuals who have adapted recordings with countless watchers. Accomplices access more substance creation apparatuses, and can win prizes for the quantity of watchers they have. Accomplices additionally gain admittance to significantly more network backing and tips. You can apply for YouTube organization whenever through the YouTube partner page. So as to access the most remarkable partner programs, you have to have 15,000 aggregate watch hours for your channel throughout the most recent 90 days. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.